In this video, we'll be looking for some logical functions like not and if error functions. Let's see those one by one. I have written some data on the screen that is true and false, some boolean expression. Now, what we'll be looking is not function. If I want to make a negative or I want to make an opposite of a function, I can use a not function. For example, I've written here a true, and if I want a negative of this true, I can use a not function here. I'll just type, it's very simple, equal to not, open the braces, and I'll just click on this cell number. So whatever is true will be converted to false. So when I press enter, you got the answer. Similarly, if I drag this at the bottom, I'll get as true. So this false is converted here as true, and similarly this true is converted here as false. So the only method by which you can convert into a negative or opposite is using a not function. Let's see the next one. I have some other function known as if error. I have some data written here. The data type I have written text number, true or false, and error formula, and the data I have written here. So that's a text number true, and I have written an error message. Now sometimes in an entire column, if you want to find out where are the error messages displayed, so that time I can say as if error function. What does it says as, if there is some error, what is the method or what is the text you want to display? So I'll just double click here and type a function as if error. If this is an error message, it will throw some text. If not, the same text will be copied and pasted here. So I'll type here a function equal to if error, open the bracket. If this cell number is an error, give me as skip this. Skip this. So if this cell number C6 has some error, so this message will be thrown. If not, the same text will be written there. So I'll press enter. You see the same text is present. So if I drag down in the bottom at all the places, see now this column has been copied here, but wherever there are error messages, instead of that the text is written as skip this. So it will give me an idea, and I can put a filter and do other stuff, and I can filter where are the error messages. So I think you have understood how to go for if error messages, and you can see as not function. So that's all for this video. Thank you.